So once your phone's paired, you can also stream audio. Dead easy. If you go to your music, you'll see at the bottom here, Discovery Sport or iPhone, the tick's next to Discovery Sport. So whatever music plays, whatever audio, whatever soundtrack plays, whether it be a video, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, whatever, the audio will play through here if you set it right. So I've turned it down on here. We'll click play. Now go over to the system and you'll see the music symbol there and the clapperboard for video and so on. If I click on the music note, it's on radio at the moment. What we have to do there is click source and then Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio and you will see that's playing the same tune. There we go. Now if I turn this up, the sound in this is absolutely fantastic. Now it's not playing through here because I've got it turned down on the phone. So if you're ever having problems with audio, make sure your phone's turned up, or if you can't get it loud enough for your liking, turn your phone right the way up and then use the volume control to get it to the right level. Here we go. The doors are vibrating on it. The sound is absolutely fantastic. You can also, if you go into settings over here and then into media, sound, there you've got your balance and fader, and we'll go back. Oops, went back too far. Sound, bass, mid and treble. So as you can see there, and I'm just going to get to a certain bit on this track. I'll have to cut the majority of that out, otherwise I'll get copyrighted. But the sound system is absolutely awesome, and to be honest, I dare say it's even better if you put the blind across for the panoramic roof here.